Yeah, boy.
Yeah, buddy. We're in Hot Boy.
New project car.
Yep. So good.
She wants to go, too.
Yeah, she's a powerful car. Why is the windscreen so fucked, Liam?
The windscreen wipers don't work as before. I don't know why.
We'll figure it out. Morning, Liam.
It's the afternoon, mate.
Okay. Anyway, what are we doing today?
I'm trying to figure out why this damn brake is jammed. I don't know how to get the damn caliper off.
What tool are you using?
Pinch bar? And a lump hammer?
It's a good tool. Very precision tool. Look what we bought, everyone. Liam bought a likewise shifter for his mad drift Falcon. He's got his OMP wheel on. Oh. Liam, you weren't wrong about that wheel being a bit average.
I know.
That's a nice shifter though. And then he's also got a hydro handbrake for mad drifts. Gonna put it like there, I think. What else? Gonna try and put those SSRs on. Those mad rims off the Stager. They fit mint. He's got some snowflakes there in the back for drifting, for skidders. Yeah, basically we're going to give it a service and get this thing running good and then roadworthied, even though it's a very average car. And dress it up like a fine looking lady on a night out. Aren't you, Liam?
I really like this car.
It's a good car. I like it a lot too. How much rust is in it? Some rust there, some rust all along here. In the boot, new Ford wheel. Huh?
In the gas strut for the boot.
In the gas struts. There's all this big hole. Oh, there's foam and shit in there. Something already in there. But just fill that with bog or something. But yeah, basically do a bit of work on the Falcon. Get it a bit nicer. Roll this turd in some glitter. And should be good to go.
Hey, Matt.
Yo.
You're wasting your time.
No, I'm not.
I'm putting a new one on it anyway.
No.
I've got a flat one upstairs that's brand new. Are you pulling spiders out of there?
Yes.
Dude, we've got a new one.
It's fine. Just put this one there like that. It works great. Spiders, Liam. Ooh.
There's so many spiders, man. How do you plan on fixing it down? You need
Just
top
with
rivets.
or something, but that's fine.
That's what... So you've done nothing, really.
No, well, I got the old rivets out, for one.
You want to pull that down and we'll show the people what we're going to do with that.
Yeah.
Which is basically just replace it so that the cops don't think I'm the world's dodgiest. So there's the new one.
Yep.
For $55. A little bit rich. Unlike you or I.
Heavy as...
I know.
Jesus.
And look at that.
Oh my god.
It's just fucked.
How does it even come out?
Here.
Oh, there's screws,
And there's bolts on the inside as well. And you got to get rid of this thing too. Or figure out how to make it work. One or the other.
You don't even have a screen. What are you going to do with that?
Delete it then. Done. It'd be nice to give this thing a wash today too, but probably not. We'll probably leave it manky.
How do you open the boot?
Dude, it's all wet and rainy over here. And the camera's getting wet.
The camera's waterproof.
No, it's not. With the case it is.
We'll put it over here more. There you
You
go.
can't see anything.
You can see plenty. We'll put it over here then. Look at that. Hint.
You're fucking in.
One hour later.
Okay. So, here's the caliper. Got it all cleaned up. The pads were in a million pieces. This one's just gone. And this one just looks like it's had the toughest life. So we bought some new pads, cheapies, but made by Bendix. So they shouldn't be too bad. So we just got to put this pad back on, put all this caliper back together, do the other side, and then we should be able to maybe even go out for a cheeky little skid this afternoon.
That'd be cool.
With the hot wires and the SSRs on the front. So that's what we're going to push for. Bam! Ready for hand races. Good, mate, good. How you going? Alright. New pads on this side. It actually spins now. Still got to bleed the brakes, but we can do that. Other side. Done. So, the world's most legit car. Have they seen the Likewise shifter, Matt?
Yeah, I showed them that earlier. How good is it?
Someone's stealing my car for the Larry shit on it. I'll tell you. People are going to be so confused by this car.
It's going to be like a P-plated Sylvia. P-plated Sylvia, Liam. On a Falcon.
You reckon?
Yeah. It's going to be just like that.
At the Wreckers, $10 speakers. That's total. That's not each. Matt's doing the other side.
They're actually good speakers. They're Pioneer and they're like new.
They came out of an XR6, Matt.
Yeah.
And the dude had 2 empty packets of Daris in there.
Yeah.
And I was hoping there was an old stale one that we could have smoked together. But there wasn't.
That would have been great, Liam.
Yeah, I would have loved a stale smoke out of an EL XR6.
That God knows how long it was sitting there.
This
card's actually got more than 2 screws holding it in, Liam.
That's good. Did you put more screws in this one this time?
No.
Oh. I think this is probably a bit blurry.
Rain is pissing me off.
Yeah, I know. I mean, we could afford nicer stuff, but I don't think that's really the point, you know?
No, you want it. Why spend a lot of money to make a turd look good?
Like, this was secondhand, $40.
Oh, I need
This was
pliers.
secondhand, $50. I had to buy the Boss kit new. What do you need, Matt?
The pliers.
Pliers?
Oh, not the pliers, the shifter.
The shifter?
Yeah.
That I took. I left it somewhere. Oh, new battery. That's another new thing I sort of had to buy because I was getting sick of the garbage old batteries. It'd be helpful if I knew what I did with it, mate. But I don't.
Is it in the engine bay?
No, I just checked there.
On the floor where I was.
This is neatness at its best. I don't know what I did with it. I'm sorry, Matthew. I cannot find it.
Okay.
I literally just had it. Here, why don't you use these, but might work better. Might work better, you reckon?
Yeah.
But yeah, we just got to do plugs, wheels, bleed the brakes, put the center console back in, maybe fix the old console back on, and yeah, ready for some wet weather skids.
Okay, Liam, where are we at?
Hot boy wheels!
Hot boy wheels. Fuck, there's so much dish. Look at these. They look so good. Look at that squat. Oh, that's fat. We got one more brake to bleed, one more wheel to put on, and we'll be going for our first cruise. Jesus. She wants to go, this old Falcon.
Oh dude, I can't see, man. This is so sketchy.
Right where I am, I can see good. There you go. Now you can see Min. Got your windscreen washer rag. Pretty good.
I know it seems like nothing, but
yeah,
just having another car out.
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, man.
every time you complete well, not complete, but get a project car like on the road. Not that this is even on the road, but driving and stuff. Brakes work good. Every time you do it, it just feels so good, so liberating, doesn't it, Liam?
Yeah, man, it feels so good. The alignment doesn't even seem too bad.
Yeah. I know, for a motor that's got 408,000 kilometers on it, she wants to go, that's for sure. Whoa. Factory manual, ED, locked diff.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it's got a locked diff. How good is that? It wants to skid so much.
It's the wet, dude.
Yeah, but that doesn't matter. If you could skid in the wet, you could skid in the dry. That's how it works, right? Oh, I didn't want to go.
No, I'm still a bit dubious because it's so wet.
And you can't see. Dubious because it's so wet and you can't see anything. But as you can see, we can't see anything.
Ugh. That needs adjusting so bad.
Yeah. Well, you don't know these things until you've driven it, you know?
Yes.
Like, you don't know that your wipers don't work until it rains. Skid life. It's really coming down the rain.
It's rated so much.
At least our headlights work, and our stereo works, which is a
$10
awesome
stereo?
$10 stereo. Out of an XR6 EL, was it? I don't know.
I think it was an EL.
But yeah, $10 and a set of pliers. Pretty good.
It's just cool that it's a factory manual.
Yeah, I know. Very cool that it's factory manual. Very cool. Who's the new owner of a Skyline? This boy.
Went from hot boy